In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your Aquascape Automatic Dosing System. Let's start by unscrewing the Quick Connect adapter from the power transformer, unplugging it, and pulling up the wire. Next, let's push in the blue clamp on the dosing unit and detach the tube that feeds into the water feature. In order to remove the unit, we may need a digging tool such as a shovel to gently loosen the surrounding soil. This step will allow us to remove the unit entirely. After the dosing unit is removed, let's take the remainder of the loose cord and wind it into a bundle. Once all of the components of the unit have been removed from the ground, it's ideal to put them in a plastic bag or bucket and then store them in a frost-free location such as a basement or an insulated garage. Finally, to prevent contaminants or debris from entering the dosing tube, insert a piece of plastic into the hole and then let's cover the hole for the dosing unit with an object like a rock. We hope you found this video informative, and remember to reach out to us if you could ever use assistance or have any questions.